Alright, what's up guys? We're out here again. We came to Foster Falls today. It's in Tennessee. It's pretty much an hour 30 from Dalton if you're from Dalton. The parking is pretty much right here. Once you get to this little spot right here, I guess. That's the parking or whatever. And we're talking to people. They just say we gotta walk up this way and it's pretty much right there. And looking at the trail map, I guess there's other stuff, but we came kind of late. For all the people that didn't want to come because they thought it was gonna be raining, I told you guys that it was good. It's pretty clear over here. I know I said I had all this talk about like no matter rain, snow or whatever, I'm gonna come out here. All right, I was kind of lying about that because this camera ain't shock or waterproof, so I'm gonna have to take care of it, but I'm gonna make sure still come out once a week or whatever for a new hike, so you guys will have a video of a new hike every week. Shout out to Rob, the only guy who actually came out here. I guess we're just gonna walk up here and see where it's at. They said it's pretty much right off the parking, so we're about to find out.
Got that heat, boy.
All right, and then another thing I want to get out there is, man, life really been like trying to get at me, because like I swear every weekend like something's came up or like it's raining and stuff, so it's like trying to stop me from coming out here. I almost came out yesterday, but like it was really bad yesterday. I'm glad I didn't come because I was saying like I don't have a good camera that's waterproof or like shock proof. Like I really want to do this, you know, so I'm not gonna let it stop me. Like I'm glad I came out here today. I actually followed that pro tip and checked the weather and saw that it was clear over here. Like it was raining back home or whatever, so I was kind of like iffy about down here, you know. I thought I was gonna have to like buy an umbrella and like try to record all funny, you know. It all worked out, and it's really smart. If it rains the day before you're gonna hike, or try to hike like the day after it rains, if you plan on like going to a waterfall. Started to sprinkle a little. I didn't want the camera to get wet, but yeah, try to plan hikes for waterfall like the day after it rains, because like right now it was like a real good day to come. There's like a lot of water and it's like a full waterfall, I guess, you know, so like it was worth it to come. Like the river's flowing hard, so it's gonna be a nice view, I'm pretty sure. Either way, if it's not raining and stuff or hasn't rained the day before, it's still good enough to come out here and see it, you know. Like waterfalls are always worth it. You got to keep chasing them or whatever, do your thing. Man, I'm not even playing. Like it looks freaking raw out here right now. Like I'm really glad I made the decision. I was literally borderline not gonna come because of all the rain and stuff and the camera. Like how I said, I'm gonna try to keep with that coming out no matter what. If I guess it's too bad, I'll find time throughout the week or whatever. Like I'm gonna try to stay with a video a week, so you guys will have one every week, so new spots to check out and stuff. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. White little tags tell you where you're going, but it's a little bit rocky and stuff. It just goes slow, kind of dangerous, I guess, when it's raining. Dude, I'm not even gonna lie, like this place is freaking cool. Like as soon as you get here, the waterfall's there, and then it's got this like really scenic alongside the river path up against this big rock wall. But man, I really like this place. Like I know I'm gonna say that, I say that about like every place I go, but I guess the only bad thing, the downside to this was there's no dogs out here, but that's understandable because it's raining. But I'm pretty sure like a lot of people come out here because it's pretty easy to find. I got the pin drop this time, so I got that for sure, so it'll be right at the parking lot. I'm really tripping out. Like I hope this camera's okay, because like over there by the waterfall, the water would splash on you because I guess it was going so hard or whatever, and like I'm kind of tripping because of the camera, and I'm tripping for real. I'm tripping to the camera. Like I hope that it doesn't get wet and mess up on me, you know, because I just got it or whatever, so that would suck. But shout out to Suavecito. If you ain't already be knowing, now you know. They got gear. I really like it. You should check them out. I'll put their link in the description. Shout out to them for keeping me dry. We're gonna follow this trail a little bit, I guess, till it starts getting dark, just to see if there's anything else. And I'm back at it with failing with the pro tip. When you get to a spot, it's always good to take a picture of the map so you like know where you're going, because right now like we don't know if we're just walking down a loop or whatever, or if there's like another waterfall that we're gonna completely miss, you know. And I tried searching it online and I couldn't find it. Actually look at the map, take a picture of it so you know where you're going. I usually get too excited. This ain't the first time I forget. I just like run down the trail, and then like halfway down it, I'm like, all right, where do we go? So that sucks. And it's like we're too far in deep to like turn around. We're just gonna see where this leads. I guess I'm pretty sure this was the only waterfall. Looking at the trail information or whatever, I guess that was just the main one. I really want to say this is a loop. I did want to say that I saw another fall on the map, but I'm pretty sure it's probably far away from what it seemed on the map. So I guess I'm just gonna walk around and see what else there is, because it kind of looks like it's almost done. We literally just ran into a dead end. That might be it. Oh, never mind, that's the trail. Alright, so this place is really cool too, because it's got rock climbing stuff, like right here, right up there. I don't know if you can tell. All that right there, that's all like rock climbing stuff. So, dude, that'd be really cool. I'd probably try to come back and do that, or like go to a new place, you know, because I guess coming back to the same place won't be that cool. I'll look into that. I'm gonna try to get into that. Like, I really need to buy new gear too. I don't know if you can tell. I got the Suavecito book bag too, which I use it for like school and stuff, but like I really need to get me like a hiking book bag or whatever. I guess I might like start doing reviews on like hiking gear. If not, like I just really need hiking gear, because what I got on right now is like not really that good. So I'm gonna work on getting new gear so I can do more stuff. Like I really want to buy a kayak. I think that'd be really cool. Talking to a friend, he said that he knows a spot where we can go camp, where you like use a kayak and like you flow down the river to like your camping spot. Said that'd be really cool. And like here's more of the rock climbing stuff. I really want to try that, because like it'll like trip you out, you know. Another pro tip when coming out here is don't be afraid to like talk to people and ask them like, hey, what's like down this way or down that way, because we just talked to some people rock climbing, which I guess is what this place is like popular for, because there's like a bunch of like rock climbing hooks or whatever already in place. I think that's it. I think that whole parking and the waterfall is it. This is pretty much a dead end, or I'm pretty sure this is just going to give you like rock walls like this to scale, I guess. I guess it doesn't lead to anything but like rock climbing stuff. So I guess that's pretty much it, because like we're not even close to the river. We haven't been close to the river since we started. So it's just like walking. So if you just wanted to like walk through the woods, I guess it's a good thing to do, or like go find a rock climbing thing. Another pro tip on that was when you're out here and you don't know where you're going, and like if you don't see anyone to talk to, I'm out of breath again, still not in shape. You're out here and you don't see anyone to talk to, like set a time like 10-15 minutes to keep on going, and if it doesn't seem like you're going in the right direction, just turn around, because it's better to play it safe, and it's better like to not waste time, because like you never know if like you go like 5 hours down the path and you find out that you went like the exactly wrong way. So it's better like to like chance it on a couple minutes of how fast you think you are going, so you can backtrack pretty quickly and like make the most out of your time. My bad again, like I came at a bad time. Real soon I'm gonna get it together where I'll have like enough time to come out here and like actually like explore the whole thing for you guys, so I can tell you where to go and where not to go, so you don't waste your time. Another good thing about this is walking through the woods. I don't know if you can see it, but like every now and then there's like waterfalls out to the distance, like right there. So I guess, I mean, that's pretty cool. That's enough worth it. If not coming out here to see the rock walls, that makes it worth it. The trail's kind of hard to like manage, because like it kind of doesn't have markers at one point. There's this like rock bed that you just like walk through that didn't seem like we were going the right way, but we actually were. So I'll try to show you guys that, so like if you do want to keep coming through, you are going the right way. Don't think it ends right there. Like I said, I guess we're gonna go back and see if we see anything else or whatever. And well, there's a sign up here. Let's see what this says. I guess this will be the checkpoint we got to. Yeah, which is just a loop from what it's saying, like I thought. So I guess there's like a parking at the end where you go the long way to the waterfall, or I don't even know, or it just goes to nowhere, you know. All right, so patience is a virtue. I gave up too quick on my end. I'm glad we kept going, because you can't tell that good, because I guess I need to get a new camera lens, and I really want to buy a drone. So that's coming up for better cinematics, so you can get like a whole like view from the sky or whatever. But like coming all the way, we got to the climbers access pass 2 or something, and I'm pretty sure we're probably gonna turn around here, because it is getting dark, and it's better to play it safe, because like I hate snakes. Like I'm not even playing. Like I don't know what I could possibly say to make you guys understand how much I hate snakes. We're gonna turn around here. If you come out here, keep coming out, because if you like views, this is gonna be for you. We get a waterfall off in the distance, which is better in person. The camera zoom isn't that good, but you'll see. It's worth coming out here. The view is like real nice. So yeah, if you like views. All right, as a marker, these little steps right here, right after you come down the little trail, little marker board, climbers pass 2. I guess you can call that the end checkpoint. These stairs can be where the view is. You just pretty much walk right under that to get to that view I was talking about, which is really nice, where you see the waterfall. So you know, if you made it to these stairs right here, you get that view I was talking about. And I guess if you come up here, you get a view from up top, which is kind of covered by trees. So I like that, the bottom one a little bit better, but it's still pretty cool, because it just makes you feel like you're really high up. Yeah, I thought I'd forget the light this time. I didn't. Good thing I didn't, because it gets dark in here. Yeah, we had to backtrack because we looked it up and the loop seemed like there was a loop, but yeah, like I wasn't gonna like test it, you know, because we were out of time. But here's the little, kind of sucks to tell, but like you walk through these like rock bed stuff, but you're going the right way. Like it seems like you're not, but you are. Just keep going. As long as you keep going, you go straight and then it curves up to the right, and then as you keep going, you'll see that white marker, and you'll know that those white markers on the tree tell you where you're going. You're going on the right way. You'll see one of those eventually. Like, look at this. Like it just doesn't look like a trail, you know, but keep following it and it's the right way. All right, yeah, so that was pretty much it. It got too dark for us. We just backtracked and got out of there. It was pretty dark. I had to use the flashlight. But yeah, if you do go, just go till you get to that to those little stairs and that little rock hanging over. It's like a little, and it's an outlook, and you'll get to see that waterfall. And I guess like I searched up on the internet and I saw there was a loop, but that was pretty much it. It's a cool little hike. It's good to, if you just want to go and like park and walk down some stairs or walk down like the little gravel road. So it's a quick hike if you want to, and it's also good for rock climbing. That's pretty much what it's for. Seeing all around, like that's pretty much what it was. What I feel like it is you walk through that trail to like a rock wall that you want to climb, and then you climb that rock wall and go back down the loop. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is. But yeah, it's a nice little hike. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any recommendations for hikes, let me know. I'm really looking for hikes that like aren't like known and stuff, so that'd be pretty cool if you guys let me know. That's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.